Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me if you know this, right? After Jesus done feed the 4,000 people, the 4,000 people, how much basket of leftover food them did have? Think about it and tell me if you know. But while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And you subscribe yet? Where you wait, Panny? Just go and click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 15 from verse 29 to verse 39. When Jesus left from Deso, him go to Galilee seaside. Then he climb up one mountain and go sit down. One big crowd of people come to him. Them bring people who can't walk, we blind, cripple, dumb, and we sick in all sort of other way. Them put them down at Jesus' foot and he make the whole of them get better. Everybody did frighten to see dumb people attack. Who cripple get better. Who couldn't walk a walk. And blind people a see. And them praise Israel God. Then Jesus call him follower them together and say, me feel sorry for them people here. Cause I will a 3 days now then there with me. And they nah nothing for nyam. Me no want to send them way hungry. Next thing, then go drop down a road. So him follower them say, which part we can get enough food in a this here desert place to feed so much people? So Jesus said to them, how much bread do you have? Them say 7 and 1 and 2 little fish. After Jesus tell the people them to sit on the ground, him take the 7 bread and the fish them, give thanks, broke them up, and start give follower them, and them give the people them. Everybody nyam till them belly full. And when them pick up where it left back, it full 7 baskets. If you not count woman and picnic, about 4,000 man did nyam food. After Jesus send where the people them, him go in a one boat and cross come Magadan. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.